Hi everyone, tonight I'll be making Philly cheesesteak casserole. What all goes into the Philly cheesesteak casserole? 1 pound ground beef, 1 green pepper diced, 1 onion diced, 8 ounces of mushrooms sliced. I bought the already sliced ones. 2 cups shredded provolone. All I had was provolone and mozzarella, so that's what I have. 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper to taste. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. In a large skillet, put in your 1 pound of ground beef and brown that. All right, so the ground beef is brown. Now drain it. I have 93%. I don't have enough really to drain, so I'm not going to worry about that. Then take your green peppers, which is 1 green pepper diced, 1 onion diced, and the 8 ounces of the sliced mushrooms. And they're kind of big slices, but we're going with that. And cook that for 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender. So in a separate bowl, combine your 2 cups of the provolone shredded cheese, the 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, the 1/2 cup of the heavy cream, the 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. And mix that until fully combined. So after your vegetables and beef are done, and put that into a greased 9x13 pan and spread it out evenly. And as you know, this isn't exactly like a Philly cheesesteak because it has ground beef. I don't know what else is the differences, but it should taste pretty much like that. And then take your cheese mixture and put it on top of the meat mixture. I'll just dump it on there and then try to spread it out. Almost like frosting. So put your Philly cheesesteak casserole in a preheated 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes until the top is golden brown. So I cooked it for 30 minutes. It was bubbling, but the cheese was not brown. So I put it under the broiler for about 2 to 3 minutes just so the cheese could get brown. So let me dish this up and I'll be right back. So here is the Philly cheesesteak casserole. Rounding out the meal is sunflower bacon crunch salad. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Was this kind of mushroom thing something?
It is Philly cheesesteak casserole.
Oh, okay. I see the mushrooms. Mmm. Well, that's really good. Very tender. I get
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.